Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the extensions and your natural hair so you know exactly what you're repairing and why. Once done, separate a clean workspace and pin hair out of the way. Make sure to remove old adhesive with an alcohol pad and gently detangle the weft from roots. You'll thread a sturdy curved needle with polyester thread. This is the only way you'll resecure a damaged weft to hair reliably. Keep clips ready to hold sections while you stitch. You now place the weft along the prepared row and anchor it with one firm horizontal stitch so it won't shift while you work. Continue with loop stitches about 1/2 inch apart. Make each pass through the weft and then under a thin ridge of natural hair so the load distributes evenly. Once finished, tie a small secure knot, bury it beneath the weft, and clip sections out of the way. Make sure to trim frays and seal the knot with a tiny dab of glue for longevity. You finish by blending the repaired weft into your natural hair. Trim uneven ends and style to match texture so the repair is invisible. Once styled, gently test the hold by tugging small sections. Make sure tension feels even across the row. If you notice slipping, restitch that spot immediately using the same loop pattern. If irritation, persistent slippage, or major damage occurs, stop and remove the extension. Seeking a professional prevents hair loss and scalp damage. This method is the one safe, reliable fix you can do at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.